Hello everyone, in front of me is POCO F6 and let me show you how to change wallpaper. First of all, open the settings, then find and select wallpaper, and now choose the source from which you want to select your wallpaper. Choose the album, so it can be one from online wallpapers, editor's pick, one from new wallpapers, one from system wallpapers. You can also tap on find more and then select the picture. Look for it by choosing the categories and then just apply it. But let me pick for example this one. Now just tap to preview, and if you want to set it as your wallpaper, just mark apply. Then decide if it's for your lock screen only, just your home screen, or both. And as you can see, it has been applied. So that will be all. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.